I'm getting ready to change the oil gasket for the oil pan for this 2007 Toyota Camry. The reason I'm changing is because I was seeing a little spots, and it started off spots when I would pull up or pull off a parking spot, and then it went to puddles, and that's just time now to change the gasket. So what we're gonna need, so this is 2007 Toyota Camry. I already jacked it up on one side, as you can see, just so I can have access to the oil pan. What we're gonna need as far as tools, I went ahead and got the gasket from AutoZone. I think it runs about, I'm not sure, about 20 bucks or so. Right there I got a sandpaper just in case I have to smooth it out the gasket once I pull it off the gasket, the oil pan. There's the gasket. They gave me more than enough silicone, kind of like a glue, like a sealant to put before you put the actual gasket. I've got a 10mm socket. That's what you're going to use to take off the screws off the actual pan. There's about 12 screws, so it's going to take you a little while. There's actually one screw on this side that it's kind of difficult to take off, and so I had to use this little adjustable 10mm, and that's how I got to that back screw. Then you need a 14mm to obviously drain off the oil before you start the work. Got a hammer and a flathead screwdriver. Since I'm the original owner of the car, I'm not sure how tight that gasket is on there. So right now I got as you can see, I got the oil draining, and as soon as that is done, I'll be back. All right, I'm not sure how well you can see this, but the oil is draining. Got a few screws that I need already loosened up, and so I'll be back once I get this off. So as you can see, there's actually 12 bolts and 2 nuts that's holding up the oil pan. I'll be back. Got the oil pan out. It took a little bit of prying with the flathead screwdriver and the hammer, but it finally came out. As you can see, it's got some oil in it, so I'm gonna drain out the oil, clean it up, and we'll go from there. I've got the oil pan as clean as I can get it. Use the sandpaper around the seal. So now I'm gonna go ahead and apply the silicone around the edges, and then I'm gonna put the gasket on. So I got the gasket on there. After I put on the silicone, I went ahead and swapped the filter, put the new one in. So I'm gonna go ahead and put this gasket back on, the whole thing in, and be good to go.